Let's check out this premium collection. It's got the Radiant Eevee foil card, it's got a Radiant Eevee enamel pen, and 8 booster packs to open up. Alright, if you play the Pokemon Go game, we got a little card right here that gives us 10 codes on the back for some free in-game rewards. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know this came with it. It's like a mouse pad or something with an Eevee. Let's get it open. Whoa, look at that pretty Eevee right there. Here, let's get this out of the way. Wow, look how cool this is. It's got a really awesome Radiant Eevee right here, some nice Pokemon branding, some really cool environmental designs as well. This is really cool. It's kind of like a mouse pad material on the front and back, but you could definitely just play the card game on this as well. And to give you a sense of how big it is, it's roughly 23.5 inches by about 13.5 inches. Set that to the side for now. As this comes apart, our shiny Radiant Eevee card is kind of kept in this front piece here, and the rest of the pieces are in the back. So let's remove this piece. So we got the Radiant card, and behind it is another in-game code card that brings us up to 11 in-game codes. And this card is really cool up close. 90 hit points. You can use Twinkle Gathering, which means that you get to search your deck for a number of cards up to the number of different types of Pokemon you have in play and put them in your hand. Then you just have to shuffle your deck. And you also get Boost Dash that delivers 50 damage. It's very cheap to retreat, just 1 energy, but it does have a weakness to fighting types, which deliver 2 times damage to it. And that card is accompanied with our little Radiant enamel pin, high quality design on this, and it does have these pretty sharp pins in the back so it can be placed onto a lapel or something like that. Okay, now let's get these packs open and see what we get. Pack 1. A basic Meltan, a basic Charmander, basic Apom, basic Bulbasaur, basic Pidove. Oh my god, what an awesome pull. Basic Radiant Venusaur, yes! It's got Sunny Bloom, you can use it after your attack to draw more cards. And it's got a heavy attack in Pollen, though it does cost quite a bit to retreat. Oh my god, another awesome pull, a Stage 1 Blissey. Look how shiny and beautiful it is. 200 hit points. Heal all damage on one of your benched Pokemon using the Enriching Egg, or use a Zen Headbutt for 100 damage. Fighting type energy card. Another good pull right here too, a Stage 1 Slowbro. Got a good amount of HP and some nice attacks in Tumbling Tackle, and Twilight Inspiration is a really interesting attack as well. Got a basic Lunatone. Alright, got a trainer card, been needing more of these. And another in-game code card that brings us up to 12. Pack 2. Starts off with a basic Spinarak, a basic Numel, a basic Rattata, another basic Numel. Alright, a Stage 1 Raticate. That'll go good with that Rattata that we just got. A basic Larvitar, but look how shiny and beautiful this card is. A beautiful Stage 1 Sylveon. I know my daughter's gonna love this one. Got a V-Star marker, a basic Solrock. Alright, a Trainer Spark card. I told you I need more trainer cards. A basic Chansey. That'll pair up good with that Blissey we got earlier. And another in-game code card. Pack 3. Stage 1 Tranquil, that'll go good with that Pidove we got earlier. Another basic Bulbasaur, basic Natu. Stage 1 Ambipom, really cool abilities here. It has Primate Dexterity. That means if you get damaged, you get to flip a coin, and if it's heads, you prevent the damage. Really cool. Basic Slowpoke will pair up with our Slowbro. Stage 1 Pupitar. Nice, pretty, shiny card. Oh my god, I got a Zapdos, a legendary bird Pokemon. Look how shiny and awesome! Solid hit points for a basic, and some really fun skills right here. Electric type energy. Another Trainer Spark. Let's go. Stage 1 Ivysaur. Alright, good card. And a Trainer Condela. Alright, filling out my trainer cards. Another in-game code card. Pack 4. Basic Numel, Stage 1 Raticate, Stage 1 Tranquil, our third Bulbasaur today, our second Natu, a Wimpod, and this card is a shiny one, really cool. Another shiny card, but this one is a basic Lapras, really nice card here. Lots of hit points, paralyzing techniques, and a strong power move in Surf. Some energy. Stage 2 Unpheasant, that's a solid card right there. Basic Lunatone, Stage 1 Pupitar, not as cool as our shiny one. Another in-game code card. Alright, that's half the pack so far, let's go on to number 5. Number 5, Basic Pidove, Basic Onyx, basic Eevee, our second Charmander today, our third Raticate, another basic Charmander, but this one's nice and shiny. Cool. Another shiny one here. We got Gyarados, 170 hit points, Wild Splash delivering 230 damage. More energy. Our second Chansey today, our third Trainer Spark, believe it or not, our second Solrock, and another in-game code card. Pack 6. Our second Eevee, our third Natu, second Ambipom, our fourth Raticate, our second Larvitar, not as cool as our first shiny one, another pretty Stage 1 Sylveon, this one's shiny too, but different than our first one. You see our first one was shiny inside the picture, and our second one is shiny on the purple. Cool, huh? Alright, a Stage 2 Venusaur, this is a good card, nice and shiny too. Look at all the hit points, and the fun abilities. Alright. Some water energy. Yes, I got a rare candy. Another Chansey. And a fourth Trainer Spark. I did say I needed trainer cards, and I'm getting them. Another in-game code card. Just 2 more packs to go. Here's number 7. basic Aipom, Charmander, basic Eevee. I think our 4th Numel today. Oof, and our 5th Raticate. But alright, another trainer card. This is a shiny Egg Incubator. It gives you the chance to flip a coin, and if it lands on heads, you get to search your deck for a basic Pokemon. Speaking of basic Pokemon, I got a Pikachu here, but a really shiny, cool graphic one. An energy card. A stage 1 Xatu. Alright, finally we can upgrade our Natu. And have I been calling Natu? Whoops. Anyway, cool little Xatu with plenty of HP and some nice abilities. Alright, a stage 1 Steelix. A basic Chansey, and an in-game code card. Alright, last pack. Some really good pulls so far, some multiples. We'll add them up at the end and see what we got. Last pack. We got a stage 1 B-Barrel, basic Meltan, a basic Magikarp, that'll go good with our stage 1 Gyarados, basic Aipom, basic Charmander. Alright, this awesome shiny stage 1 Ivysaur. That means so far in this pack we've gotten a Bulbasaur, a shiny stage 1 Ivysaur, a shiny stage 2 Venusaur, and a Radiant Venasaur. Really cool family of cards right there. And this shiny stage 1 Golisopod will go good with our shiny Wimpod from earlier. More energy, a Soul Rock, alright, a Trainer Blanche, and our second stage 1 Xatu, and an in-game code card. So in total I got 10 in-game code cards here, and 9 more right here, that's 19. And in total we got 51 unique cards, that's pretty good for a pack of 8. So when counting doubles, I will count these Larvatars, for example, as doubles, even though one is shiny and one is not. Same thing with the Sylveons, this one's shiny up here, and this one's shiny in the purple. I'll still count those as doubles. So in total we got 9 doubles, 6 triples, including these energy cards, 3 quadruples, including Trainer Spark cards, and 2 quintuplets, these basic Charmanders, and these stage 1 Raticates. And I'd say we got a handful of some really good cards right here. My favorite pulls were this Radiant Venasaur, that was a big surprise. Obviously the Radiant Eevee that comes with the pack. This shiny stage 2 Venusaur, the shiny legendary Pokemon Zapdos, a shiny stage 1 Golisopod, a shiny stage 1 Gyarados, shiny stage 1 Ivysaur, shiny stage 1 Blissey, stage 2 Unpheasant, a rare candy, wanted one of those, and the shiny Egg Incubator. So everything you get includes this playmat, the enamel pin, and all of these cards here. So with all these really cool cards, this playing mat, this Eevee pin, obviously this collection is great for anybody who loves the Pokemon Eevee. And just considering the card game, you saw some of the pulls that I got, this is going to be a great way to add to anybody's collection who's already playing the game seriously.